Hello, this is Robin Foss, and I thought I would just show you the April 2021 SnapFrame. It is called Garden Fence. First, here's some of the papers that come with the kit, and I'm going to play around with them as well when I'm making this sample page and the embellishments. And these are inspired by my trip to the Botanical Gardens with a friend. When I made those embellishments, I used the outliner, created some shapes, and used that to cut and create the SnapFrame. So first I'm going to create this shape, and I like to do a thin stroke, like 1 point or less, and I slide up and out to the far left outer corner and let go, and then I slide in and down to the bottom and then over until the border trim is approximately the same all the way around. And then I'll hit create. Slide this over. So I do this in a one-page view with the trim with current binding showing. That way you can see what's going to show on the page. I like to add a light shadow, so go Format tab, Light Shadow, hit Save. Okay, so we're going to insert an empty frame. Drag and do right click, aspect ratio, unlock, and drag below. And I'm just going to grab the resizing square and do home, copy, paste. And resize. I'll move it below, it just makes it easier to resize. I'm guessing you just see the outline. I'm just resizing to fit within the space behind. And then copy, paste, paste, paste. All right. Do some spacing here. Let's see, let's drag below. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna make it slightly narrower. Okay, go save. And I have half of my template done. You can go to Pages, Insert, Mirrored Image of this page. I'll drag the original back to the left. I'll go View, Double Page Spreads, 2 bound pages. Okay, so that is what the template looks like before we do anything. Next up, I'm going to decorate and fill in with photos. So for the shape here, I am going to go to Content, to Paper, and just play around a little bit, see what looks best. Fill selected shape. My cutting board opened up on the other screen. You can kind of play around with what looks good. Maybe let's try that. Go to this page. Same thing. Fill selected shape. Okay. And then just to mute it down just a little bit, I think I'm going to put some blends on it. I'm going to wait a minute. I'm going to add my photos. So photos, not used. Brought over some Japanese garden pictures. Okay, so to me, the brick is a little busy, but that's okay. It gives me some really great texture. But I am going to add a blend layer. So I go here on the shape and I go to Effects, Edit, Add an Effect, Insert Blend Layer. Now that's the default color, this kind of creamy, peachy, yellow color. So let's play around with some choices. So I can do solid color and it'll show me colors on this image that's from the brick itself, or colors on this page. And maybe let's increase the opacity. I don't know, I'm not loving it. Let's go over to this side and say OK. Let's go over here, right click. So you can either do it from the Elements panel or from the page itself. We're going to insert a blend layer. How about this? Let's try another paper. Let's go to the kit that we were using. Let's minimize Robin Stuff. April 21. Let's try that. Ooh, I kind of like that. That's a cool look. All right, so that is an effect. Benefit of that is I can go up here to Format, Sample, Effect, go to page 1, Apply Effect. And maybe we need a little bit more definition on here. So let's do a thicker stroke. I was thinking, gotta wait till these guys turn orange again and then it lets you do things. And it's orange because I'm in dark mode. It would be blue if I were in light mode. And let's pick one of these colors down here. Solid color, sample. Thinking more of something like that. And then shadow, let's try heavy. Or let's do custom. Might need to expand it just a little bit. Yeah, I was wondering why that wasn't showing. Okay, so let's pull that back a little bit. Okay. That gives it a little more definition. Let's make this thicker. 3. Zoom in a little bit. Zoom out. I like that. And I feel like right here would be a great place to put the title. Let's sample this though. We're going to sample the stroke and the shadow because I made some changes. Apply stroke and shadow. There. All right, let's lock it so I don't keep grabbing it. Let's do insert. Let's do text. Exploring the Japanese gardens. Okay, so what if we made it super big? And we do something the script style. And something a little more legible. And let's see what it looks like all in one page. Color, recent color. Okay, I like it. Hit create. I'm going to flatten it. Zoom in a little bit. Let's give that. Let's first go to Insert, Outliner. One point. Might need to be a little thicker than that to show. Yeah. And we'll give that, actually let's make it this brown color. We're going to give that a texture, so filter, surface, texture. Going to go see what we got here. Rough. Rough sounds good. Might need to zoom in. Okay. Accept changes. I am going to move this above for a second. Let's do, actually let's make it see-through. No, let's make it the same color. Let's try that. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so back to this guy. Got a little texture on him. Let's do effect, edit, 3D bevel edge. I like it. It's a little bright to me. So what I'd like to do is go to color, brightness, highlights, and midtones. And shadows. Let's zoom out. Just kind of playing around with it till I'm happy. Yeah. Undo. So I'm going to leave it there. All right. Arrange, flatten, format, light shadow. Let's flatten it again, and I'm going to give it a glow. Do a recent glow. That looks pretty good, so we'll just change the color to suit my needs. Yeah, just kind of makes it stand out. I was kind of thinking more though this green. Yeah, I like that. Okay. This is what I was thinking. Do that. Make sure the aspect ratio is locked. It is. Okay. Make it bigger. Go. That's kind of cool. I like how the E curls in on that finial top. Okay, so I just need to move that over just a little bit so it doesn't show. Alright, let's do keep both areas. I'm using the straight edge cutter. Okay. Click away. Japanese gardens. I'm gonna go up and back down. Line it up to where it started. Let go. Okay. Zoom back out. Yeah, I like it. But I think it needs more of that glow. So arrange, flatten, format, glow. Let's apply it again. Yeah. Range, flatten, glow. If we wanted to, we could bring it in so it's not quite so intense. Just so it has more to it. Cancel. Glow. Look away. Okay, save. So we could put a tag here or have a tag coming down here or put a story here. But we'll stop for now. So that's it. That's a new Garden Fence snap frame from blank page to a completed 2-page spread. Thanks for watching.